Hello everyone. Phacoemulsification in uncooperative patient with bad cornea and hard nucleus. Surgery was done under topical anesthesia. I stained the anticapsule with upon blue dye. Whenever dealing with the hard nucleus, always try to make a large capsular access for easy and safe phacofragmentation. Patient was having deep socket, so manipulation became difficult. I made 2 side port incisions and 2.2 mm clear corneal incision. Filled the chamber with the viscoelastics, removed the air bubbles present in the antechamber. I started capsular access and deliberately I made large capsular opening. In harder cataracts, hydro procedure should be done safely and softly because in mature cataracts, posterior capsule is not visible and the capsules also became weak. Now time for phacofragmentation. Normally I do not plan any strategy to handle nucleus. First I feel the strength of nucleus. Here I made a narrow trench in the nucleus. Then I held the nucleus with phacotip at the end of trench and chopped it in 2 halves. Then I rotated the nucleus and completed the chop. With mixed technique, I divided the nucleus in smaller pieces and started phacofragmentation. During phacofragmentation, I used to change the phaco settings. For holding, we need higher vacuum with less torsional power, whereas for fragmentation, we need higher vacuum with high torsional power. Since the patient was uncooperative, I have to verbally command and encourage the patient to achieve maximum cooperation from the patient. If patient is uncooperative, normally surgeon also became apprehensive. So it is always good to encourage the patient in positive note. So I finished my phacofragmentation without any problem. The last piece gone. As I withdrawn, suddenly patient moved the head, but fortunately I finished my job. After filling the antechamber with viscoelastics, I implanted the single piece hydrophobic implant in the bag. Tip for beginners: if patient is uncooperative and if the cataract is hard, it is always wise to give local anesthesia to get better cooperation from the patient side. I was lucky to finish the surgery successfully without any problem, remove the viscoelastics from the antechamber and close the wounds, and that was the end of surgery. Thanks for watching.